Hello friends, I am Vimal Kothari, currently working with Dr. Reddy's and taking care of the external manufacturing for the API business. Associated with the pharma industry for more than 19 years. I completed my BTech in Chemical Engineering in 2002 and wanted to have a Master's in Business Administration. However, due to the family and social responsibilities, I took a job in pharma. MBA remained always in my wish list, and the time I spent it became more difficult for me to think about it. And one fine day of September 2002, my category head came to me and proposed for a company-sponsored Global Executive MBA through Ahmedabad University. The program was designed in such a way that it took care of both work-life, family and study balance. I grabbed this opportunity and started the journey. The subjects which are covered as the part of the program are truly helping me to move forward and prepare myself for the next orbit. I sincerely thank the Dr. Reddy's management and the Ahmedabad University for giving this opportunity, and I would recommend more and more professionals to come forward and take this course. Thank you.